Hey guys, it's Joel here, and today I'm at a car wash here in Whyalla, South Australia. Better wipe some of the screen. And if you're wondering where I am, I'm at a car wash near the Whyalla Hospital. Now it is approximately 3:32 p.m. Here, so my brother who's over there is just washing the car. Yeah, I apologize if you can't see me too well. Yeah, but sure, you might not know about South Australia. Those who don't know me, my name is Joel Pickering and I live in Whyalla, South Australia. And yeah, I live in a town of South Australia, which you heard, in case you haven't heard, it's called Whyalla, South Australia, which is 400 kilometres out of the state capital of Adelaide. But if you haven't heard of Adelaide, Adelaide is the state capital of South Australia. Just don't worry about that, guys. I'll be back soon. Oh, might need to have a talk with my dad. But someone just said something about me to me. But just ignore it. If you heard it, just ignore it there, guys. So yeah, what a beautiful day. Hardly any clouds in the sky. My brother is still getting to work. Just left the Whyalla Hospital. Yeah. And yeah. Christmas is just around the corner. If you want me to do any Christmas videos, comment down below. Leave a like and subscribe if you like all me Adelaide videos. Yeah. And if you want to see my lad Trent, his YouTube channel, Trent's Outdoors, I'll give you the name of it if you don't know the name of my lad's YouTube channel, or if you've heard of my mother's YouTube channel. Yeah, comment down below and I'll give you the name of it. And if you don't know my mother's name, it is called Jane Pickering. Yeah. And just if you didn't hear that, it is Jane Pickering. That's her name. Yeah. And if you like cars, comment down below. There's a Volkswagen car of a sort. I don't know. Oh no, the screen. The screen. So if you like Christmas, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you later. Please subscribe for more. Leave a like down below, and I'll see you later.